Good morning, dear students. All are once again welcome to the next class of HRM. And today we are going to discuss the third chapter. The third chapter deals with the selection and placement of employees. So, in our previous chapter, we studied some of the basic concepts related to the recruitment process. So, in this chapter, we are going to study selection, and we know selection is the process of finding the most suitable persons for the various posts in our organization. So, selection is a positive process. When we studied recruitment, we have already learned that recruitment is a negative process because selection is the process of eliminating majority of the candidates. Through recruitment, we are inviting the candidates to apply to various posts in our organization. In that sense, we can say that recruitment is a positive process, while selection is a negative process. We know that if there are 10 posts in an organization, we may receive hundreds of applications. So, among those applications, we will select only those who are fit to our jobs. So, that we call it as a negative process. So, that is the concept of selection. And in the next part, we are going to study the various steps in the process of selection. There are 11 steps, but in today's class, we will study only the first 5 steps. And the first step is to invite applications. We know that in order to know whether there is a post or vacancy in an organization, we have to first of all get noticed the vacancy. So, as an organization, we must advertise the vacancy, and for advertising, there are various media. A company may go for advertisement in newspapers or magazine or such other media, print or non-print media. Okay, and the next step is to receive applications. When we notify the post, we will get applications from various parts. So we will receive the application, and the next is after receiving the application, we will scrutinize the applications received. And the scrutinizing is the process of checking whether the applications are according to our requirements. And if there are any mistakes, we can eliminate those applications at the very first stage. So that for that purpose, we scrutinize the applications. Okay. Then the next one is that giving a blank application form. Then those applicants who come successfully after the scrutinization process, then they will be given a blank application form. Okay, in order to fill in their basic requirements like biodata, etc. And after that, we will go for an interview. Interview is the process of you're conducting a face-to-face interaction between the candidate and the interview board. So in an interview, it's a face-to-face interaction. Through the process of interview, the board can know the attitude, the aptitude, the interest, and the fitness of that particular candidate for our post. Okay, so these are the first 5 steps in the process of selection, and we will discuss the next steps in our next class. Okay, thank you for listening.